So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create your own workout. And if you're using cannabis while you're working out, great, this is also going to apply to you. And if you're not, this will definitely be for you. So both of you guys, my lit fitters and also my non-lit fitters. So we're going to ask ourselves, before we start working out or just creating a workout, let's ask ourselves, why are we working out? And if you don't know why you're working out, or if you have like maybe a little clue where you're like, hey, I really want to look good in my bathing suit this summer on my trip in Georgia, just as an example, then cool, you're going to start to be doing things in your workout that are going to help you reach that goal, right? So asking yourself, number one, what am I working out for? Maybe make a little note of that, or just keep it in your brain, okay? Number two, what is going to help you reach that goal best? What type of workout is going to help you reach that goal best? And if you don't really know, that would be something that you'd want to book a session with me where you're like, I just don't really know what to do. But today, because I'm just trying to help you out, give you some tips in this video for creating your own workout, I'm going to give you some examples here. So if you're trying to better your body to feel good, feel confident in the clothes that you're going to be wearing on your trip to Georgia this summer, maybe you're wearing some cute dresses, some nice bathing suits, some cute tops, you just want to be comfortable, and you're going to be hiking too, so you just want to feel good in your tights, and maybe you notice that you're like, hey, I want to feel really good in these new shoes that I got while I'm hiking. So we're adapting your body to this situation. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to show up and do things that are going to help you do that exactly. So, for an example, if you're going to be hiking and you want to be comfortable in your new shoes, you want to feel comfortable in your new pants, and overall you want to feel really good in your body, right? That's the idea. So I would say find something that's going to mimic that. What's going to mimic you hiking this summer or lounging at the pool? I'll give you two examples. Hiking, maybe you have a Stairmaster at your gym that you love doing. Maybe you have stairs around your apartment complex that you want to hike up. You want to do some really cardiovascular endurance so that when you're out there, you're like, you're not so much like, but you're working out, you know, it's a workout. You're hiking. So that would be one way to train for that exact type of situation. And another way for that, if you're just lounging at the pool, maybe you want to be relaxed and just feel good in your skin. I'm gonna pause this real quick, it's an ad coming up. So maybe you want to do more yoga and stretching and relaxation techniques that are gonna best suit you, not only physically, but mentally and emotionally while you're hanging out at a creek or at the pool, wherever you're going to be wearing your suit or a cute dress. You just want to be really relaxed and in your element and just feeling good, absorbing the sun. So I know for me, when I do a lot of more slower types of exercise, I find where I can train for those certain things where I'm like, I'm gonna feel really good on the beach or on my boat or working with clients. My body's gonna feel good, it's gonna look good for me and for what I want to do. So hopefully that kind of summarizes the idea of asking yourself, why are you working out in the first place? And then doing things specifically that are going to help you reach that idea of why you're working out, if that makes sense. So, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that's really important for you to know. And yeah, if you need ideas for specific workouts, if you're like, I don't know exactly why I want to work out, but I just want to get started, I want some motivation and I want some ideas to work with, then definitely take a look at the digest of exercises that I have. The digest. They're all on my YouTube page at My Body Physique. They're on my WeedTube at My Body Physique. and I have specific ebooks on Amazon that you can buy as well. But first of all, check out the free ones at My Body Physique on YouTube and the WeTube. There's a couple of them that I can point you in the right direction, a little nudge in the right direction. If you don't know exactly what you want to work out for or how you want to work out, check out those videos. They're really specific. If you're doing this course for your confidence, they're really specific on helping you with things that you might be struggling with, such as anxiety or depression, or some self-image issues, OCD, eating issues. And I'm saying this not because I'm a doctor, because I'm not a doctor, I'm a personal trainer. But what I have struggled with are those types of situations, and so I've made exercises, workouts that help cater to getting through those specifics. So very catered to a lot of your mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual health, not just your physical health. But you know it's all mixed with 3D, and if you don't know it's mixed with 3D fitness, applied functional science, read more on my website about what that's about. But the idea is go to those workouts, scroll through them, and just find one that you want to do. And you can do 1 or 2 of them, 2 to 3 times a week is really going to help you understand why you want to be working out. So that's the thing. Those videos are great to get you started, maybe work through the muck, especially if you're using cannabis in this program, or if you use cannabis in general for your workouts. Those are really going to help you get into all those mucky spots, those sweet places, and help you understand why you want to be working out and how that looks for you. It's all going to be different, but this is just what I can give you so that you can define that on your own, right? So yeah, that is what I can give you for how to make your own workout. And if it seems like it's a little all over the place, it's because it's a really broad subject. But if you want something specific for you and you need some first footing in those first steps, reach out to me. I can help point you in the right direction. But this is what I can give you for now, so I hope that you'll take it and run with it and create a wonderful workout to reach exactly what you want from yourself. Peace.